Enemy spotted.
Okay, boys. I got a chance to 1v1 this guy on screen right now. He's level 300, and in this video, I have the biggest comeback of my life. Enjoy. Should be some easy kills coming in. There we go. Up from where? Okay. What? He has the shine brick battle. Fusion boys, is that you? Is that you, Fusion? No. No. No, it's not. How are you not dead? What? Okay, bro. I tricked him. You're good. Yes, I'm pro a little bit. Where'd he go? Hey, buddy. Okay, I missed every single shot, even though I hit him like once. Oh my gosh, yes. Where'd he go? Watch him just shoot me from hitboxes. This guy's too good. I'm not even into numbers. Oh no, I think I know where he went. Nope. Leave me alone. Where is he? I don't even know where he is. Just run. Look, boys, I found the next ultimate spot. In textures, there's a box right here. So he probably won't see me. That's my strat for today. He's under me. Does he know? Oh yeah, he knows. Bro, just die. How much health do you have? Oh my gosh. Praise the Lord. Okay, I got my gun now. Hello? Yes, he didn't have time. That gun sucks. That gun is the worst. I'm gonna just make him waste all of his bullets. Shoot me, bro. Yeah, that's right. Waste all your precious bullets. Oh my god. Oh no, he has strats. Is he over here? Alright, I may have come back. This gun's pretty okay. I think he's up there. Never mind. Oh, I almost died. Give me. Give me. Oh my, I can have a huge comeback. No way. There's no way. There's no way. Oh my gosh. I just saw him. Ah. Ah. Oh. Oh, that could have been my life. Oh. Oh, why? Hush, puppy. Oh god. He knows all the pro spots. Real Moby moves, bro. Oh my. No! Oh. I love you, lag. I love you, lag. Lag, you're the best. Or is it hitboxes? Exposed? No, I'm just kidding. Oh, 15 kills. Can I have a comeback, please? Where is he? Trying to climb up there. Oh god. Oh god, how are you not dead? I'm gonna rush it. No! Yeah, there's no way. Hitboxes. You have hitboxes. No! No, 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 no. Oh! Ah! Whoa. Oh, shit. Let's go. Yeah, I got a kill. Woo. Oh, no, he's not. Oh. What? I almost died. I don't think he knows where I am. No, I'm gonna get shot. No, that was... Oh my god. Oh, I hear him. I just don't know where he is. Oh. Oh, yes. That spot is perfect. Does he have textures on? He probably doesn't, though. Oh my god, bro. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Oh, huge comeback. What do you mean? What? This is like a big comeback or something. Oh. No, I'm gonna die. What? Oh my gosh. He said, Oh, huge comeback, baby. Oh my gosh, so close. Bro, this is like the biggest comeback Panda's ever had against a tryhard level 300. Oh, yep. That gun. What gun do you have? Show it. Oh my god, bro. If he hit that, I would have raged. Okay, thanks. Alright, this gun's a simple kill. Oh my god, no. No, it's not. Where'd he go? Let's go! Huge comeback. Imagine I win this. But I see you. I'm gonna trick and watch. Hey, buddy. What were you doing there? Alright, let's be Spider-Man. Spider-Man moment. Oh, God. Leave me alone. Oh! No way I'm beating him. No way. No way. There's no way. Okay. Peek it. Monkey see, monkey do. Let's go. Streak of 5 and I haven't died. No, guys. Oh my gosh, I had the biggest comeback of my life too. Where? Bro. Oh. No. No. That's bad. Where is he? Oh. Intensifies. Oh my gosh. Bro. Can I hit you? Oh, yes, I hit him. No! Oh, yes. I'm gonna hide behind here. He won't suspect it. I'll hide right here and he won't know. Or he won't just peek it. Is he over there still? No. Yep. No. Oh, he's going over there, I think. Oh, yes. Can I win? Give me my health. Never mind. Usually works like that. I don't know why it didn't work. Where is he? You going the other way again? Behind me? Going over here? Where is he? I hear him. Is he right there? Oh, no, I see him. I think I saw him. Is he right there, right? Oh, God. No! GG. Oh, bro, don't get your hopes high. Hopes down. Am I about to beat a level thing? I don't know. What? Oh, hitboxes, baby. I love you. Oh. Alright, boys. I'm gonna end the video here. Oh my gosh. 81,000 kills and level 311. Jeez. That was a huge comeback. Thank you guys for so much for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Later. Subscribe, please. I mean, subscribe, guys. And that means we're almost at 500. So, subscribe and like the video. Alright, later.